Hey guys, John here from John's DIY Playground. I have this somewhat new to me truck. It's only a few weeks old to me. Parked it in my backyard because it won't fit in the garage. And lo and behold, some disrespectful mice have chewed up and disconnected my windshield washer brake fluid hose. So we're going to replace that today, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Let's get started. To do this job, it's going to be real quick. We're actually going to use things that are used for drip irrigation that you can find at Home Depot or Lowe's to do this repair. 1/4-inch barb connectors, they look like this. Hopefully you can see it in the frame here. And then the same thing, the drip irrigation hose without any perforations. We're just going to cut it to length with some scissors, and then we'll use the 2 barbs and see if it works. If you reach inside here, I can push some of the hose out to get to it. You can see here, this is a Ford F-150, so I can just attach the barb here, coupler. I gotta get that on there real good. Make sure it's in as far as I can get it. Then we're going to use the scissors to cut to size, maybe leave a little extra, so we'll cut around here like so. Okay, take the other coupler. This hose is a little bit stiffer than this soft rubber, so we'll actually put the coupler into the stiff part first. Okay, then just finish it off here. All right guys, moment of truth. Let's try it out and see if it worked. Good as new. So hopefully you guys, if you learned something from this, please give me a thumbs up and then click on the subscribe button for when new videos of mine come out. This is John from John's DIY Playground. Have a great day.